In a dark, foggy forest, Leela and Kai notice a glowing compass floating mysteriously in the air. Suddenly, it spins wildly, pointing deep into the trees, and strange rustling surrounds them. A shadow darts past, and they realize something is following them.
If you have been struggling to make long AI videos with the same consistent character because every tool is paid or too confusing, then stay right here because today I am showing you the easiest, completely free method to create long, smooth, and high-quality AI videos without any limits. And the good news is that you can do all of this with one simple free tool called Grok AI. It is easy to use, fast, and perfect for making long AI videos, so you can start creating your own long videos in just a few minutes. So first, simply go to Google and search for Grok AI, then click on the very first link you see. It will open the homepage of the tool. After that, complete the quick sign-up process, and your dashboard will open. Now you are fully ready to start your journey and create long AI videos in any style you want. All right, now let us do some simple settings. Just click on the settings option, then select the behavior section. Here, turn off the last automatic video generation option. By disabling this, the tool will not auto-generate anything, and you will have full freedom to create your videos in any style you want. All right, guys, now let us start creating our video. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a short story in any style you want that fits your idea. I have already added my prompt in ChatGPT, and it has given me a short Disney Pixar style story that I will use for this video. And just like that, our short story is ready. Now, I will ask ChatGPT again to give me a prompt for each scene, making sure that every new scene connects perfectly with the previous one. This way, the story will flow smoothly from start to finish. And as you can see, now we have all the scene-by-scene prompts ready to use. Each scene is connected, and we are all set to turn these prompts into a complete long AI video. All right, now let's create the first scene of our story. Just copy the prompt for the first scene, and in Grok AI, switch the option from video to image. Then choose your preferred aspect ratio for the scene, and then enter the prompt of your first scene. After that, just hit the Generate button, and Grok AI will start creating multiple images for the scene. Now click on your preferred image, and then simply hit the Make Video option. Grok AI will instantly start generating the video for your first scene. So our first scene of the video is ready instantly. You can simply download it. All right, guys, now let's create the second scene of our video. To keep the story continuous, play the first video scene till the end, then right-click and select Copy Video Frame. After that, paste it into the Imagine prompt box. Now you can see that the last frame of the first video has appeared in the second scene. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second scene, paste it into the prompt box, and hit Make Video. Grok AI will start generating the video for your second scene. After a few moments, our second scene will be ready. You can see it has complete flow and continuity. Simply download it. Now, let's create the third scene. Repeat the same process. Play the second scene till the end, copy the last frame, and paste it into the image form box. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the third scene, paste it here, and hit Generate. Grok AI will start creating the third scene. All right, now with the same continuity and the same flow, our third scene is ready. Just look how perfect it turned out. I repeated the same process and created all the scenes I needed for my story. I downloaded all the scenes. Now that we have all our scene clips ready, the next step is to edit them together to make one long video. But first, we need a voiceover. For this, we will use Google AI Studio, a free AI voiceover generator. Click on the single speaker audio option. Choose your preferred voice, then copy your script and paste it into the text box. Remove any unwanted parts and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, our voiceover will be ready. Preview it, and when you are happy, simply download the file. All right, now the next part is the editing. You can use any of your favorite editing tools while I am using CapCut for this video. So I opened a new project in CapCut and imported all my video clips and the voiceover. Now I will arrange everything scene by scene, match the visuals with the voiceover, and adjust the timing to keep the story smooth and connected. After placing all the clips in order and adding the voiceover, our long video will be fully ready. So after completing the whole editing process, my long video is ready. I simply export it, and here is my complete story video. Just look at this.
In a dark, foggy forest, Leela and Kai notice a glowing compass floating mysteriously in the air. Suddenly, it spins wildly, pointing deep into the trees, and strange rustling surrounds them. A shadow darts past, and they realize something is following them. The compass glows brighter, guiding them toward a cliff, where a faint, glowing doorway suddenly appears, whispering their names. Heart pounding, they step inside and find a room filled with floating, glowing maps, one of which points directly at Kai. The maps swirl into a mini whirlwind as the compass floats into Leela's hand, revealing a tiny, mischievous, glowing creature hovering above them. With a playful smile, it whispers, "Welcome, brave ones, your adventure begins."
You have seen everything now, and you can see how easy this whole method is. So now you can also create your own long AI videos for free. The process is very simple, everything works smoothly, and you can make any type or any style of long video you want. So go ahead and try it out yourself and create unlimited long videos with complete freedom. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel to support us. Also, tell us in the comments how many long videos you have created. We will keep bringing more amazing and informative AI tutorials for you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.